Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can create the glow video effect in CapCut PC. Alright, for instance, I'm going to select the images and I'm going to go to effect and select light effect and then select angel effect 2 and then I'm just going to select the clips, right click and then create component clip. Go to media and add the same image as an overlay put on top. Right. Go to cutout and then select chroma key and select color picker and then select the green color. So make sure the first frame, and you can adjust for the strengths and then shadow. Alright, for first frame you are just going to change for strength and to right 2 and then just click the overlay and you can click the keyframe button, click on it and swipe to the right and increase the strength until 7 and swipe to the right again and decrease 2 and so on 7 2 until the end of the video. Increase and then decrease for the strength and the chroma key option. Right. Sorry. Alright, so this is the final text you have on your video. So that's it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.